Hello everyone, this is Diego and I'm recording this video to tell if the Prostastream product really works. I'm going to tell if it really helps you improve your health of your prostate. And I'm going to give you some alerts so you don't fall for scams. I'm watching videos of several people about the product on the internet, but no one really talks what the product does, how it should be used to get the best results, and they don't talk about these possible scams that are happening on the internet. Many buyers are reporting that they bought the fake product or had their personal dating cards cloned. So it's important to know the correct way to buy and use the tool. Follow me to the end of the video. Prostastream is a nutritional supplement marketed as the first one method to help maintain the health of prostate. Frank Neal created the Prostastream formula as a way to help men treat prostate problems as they age. More than 50% of men over age 50 experience some symptoms of benign hyperplasia, BPI. It's a natural part of aging. Most of men, your prostate naturally enlarges as you age. BPH leads to unwanted symptoms such as go to the bathroom more times, difficult to urinating, and some other problems. Some men experience sexual dysfunction. All natural, it contains a blend of vitamin, minerals, and herbal extracts that target prostate health in a variety of ways. It contains vitamin E, vitamin B6, zinc, selenium, copper, among others. These ingredients we find with the bad symptoms that men report feeling. In order to really get the best results, doctors recommend you to do the complete treatment for at least 4 months. Taking 2 capsules a day is always at the same time, and the first results start to appear after 30 days of use. Now pay attention to these very important alerts so you don't fall for scams. The original product, with the approval of all health agencies, you only find through the manufacturer's official website. To help you today, I will leave here the link of the description of this video, the website, the official one, so you can buy with complete security that you will receive the original product and guarantee your results. I hope I have helped you today. If you have any other questions, please leave them here in the comments. I will answer you, and if you have already used the product, Prostastream, leave your comment, tell other people your experience. It can help someone else a lot. Bye!